Corina.
Sofronio. Wala ka bang palayaw? Sofronio talaga ang tawag sa'yo?
Opo, Miss
Ah,
Corina.
I see, okay. Pero Sofronio, hindi ba dito ka nakatira talaga sa Pilipinas?
Yes po, nagsimula po akong tumira dito sa Amerika since 2023. So almost a year, mga magto 2 years pa lang po.
So that made you eligible to join the contest. Ayun, I
Yes
was
po.
wondering about that. Kasi nga, hindi ba naging finalist ka sa isang contest dito sa Pilipinas?
Yes po, sa isang competition ng Philippines, singing competition.
Yes, oo. So, ikaw ay nanalo. Why do you think? What did it for you? What was your secret weapon?
I think ang pinaka factor na siguro nanalo po ako is the support talaga ng Filipinos around America, and of course my hometown dito is which is Utica. They have embraced me so much, and ito kasing lugar na tinirahan ko, Miss Corina, is the melting pot of all immigrants, refugees, and alike. So talagang naging advantage siya sa akin because I felt that they also feel they need to be heard, and sinuportahan po ako talaga ng mga Pilipino around America. Nagulat po ako, meron pala silang text brigade na pinapagawa to vote for me. So, laking bagay.
Wow, what a great thing for you. Ngayon, ano ang next? May career ka na dyan, sigurado, pagkatapos niyan.
So far, Miss Corina, meron po akong record label. And then I have an agency, merong on conversation from NBC to manage me. But I am planning, actually, plano na po talagang umuwi po ako since nagpaalam po ako sa NBC to come home to the Philippines January first week para magpasalamat po physically